If you have to misbehave to get attention, and that's all you know, then you will continue to misbehave to get attention. Unless somebody gives you attention, unconditional, you don't have to earn it, it's not a reward. Attention should never be a reward. It should be something that you get, so you begin to learn, oh, I don't have to misbehave to get attention. It doesn't take away consequences. So we would say during the day, hey, this kid on Tuesdays and Thursdays, he gets to go play a board game with somebody who has the time. He gets to go to the 5th grade and play some games with them. That would be his unconditional attention time. That's called intervention. But it's not earned. So we would try to figure out how do we get this kid on a better track when it comes to getting the need for attention met.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.